What's going on, y'all? So in this video we're going to be making our Citrus Golden Beetroot Juice. Yes, this is going to be a different spin on your typical beetroot juice, and the recipe is real simple. We're just going to have some oranges, some frozen mango, a Meyer lemon, although you can use a regular lemon, and the star of the show is the golden beetroot. Now this is going to give it the same benefits as you would have in your red beets, but without that earthy taste. And for some added gut and immune support, we've decided to add some baobab powder as well as this echinacea extract. We'll link both of those down in the description below for you. Oh, and I almost forgot, we're going to be adding ginger as well. Gotta have the ginger. Now, one thing I want to mention is that we're going to be using our blender to make this juice. You can use a juicer if you want, but by using the blender, we'll get some added fiber. All right, now to add our ingredients, we're going to have our 2 oranges, our Meyer lemon, a frozen mango, about 1.5 cups of that, our golden beets, about 1.5 cups of those, our ginger, 3 tablespoons of baobab powder, some water, and then topping it off with our echinacea extract, about 1 teaspoon total of that. All right, look at that color. Now that is what we call liquid gold. Now you can remove the pulp from this juice by using a strainer. We found that it came out really nice and smooth, and we didn't really need to remove the pulp. And as you can see, it's packed with so many good nutrients, especially those good nitrates from the beetroot. That's really going to help with lowering blood pressure and improving athletic performance for you athletes out there. Now you can store the rest of this in your fridge for an extra 3 days, and it's as simple as that, folks. This is super easy, super nutrient dense, and it tastes delicious. Make sure to let us know what you thought of this recipe in the comments below, and don't forget to please share this with someone you love. Now, if you want to check out any of our other videos, make sure you click one of the ones that you see here, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.